The universe operates on principles that are far simpler, yet infinitely more powerful than we often realize. What if the life you've always dreamed of is closer than you think, just waiting for you to grasp the hidden truths that govern your reality? The path to manifestation is not a complex labyrinth of rituals and practices. It's a straightforward journey of understanding and aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe. You can realize the incredible potential that is inside of you by letting go of the myths and accepting the core ideas. At the very heart of your being lies an incredible power, a force that shapes the world around you. This power isn't found in ancient rituals or complex philosophies, but in the very essence of your thoughts and feelings. Every thought that flickers through your mind, every emotion that stirs within your heart, acts as a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Your thoughts are not mere fleeting notions, they are the architects of your reality. With each thought, you plant a seed in the fertile ground of your subconscious. These seeds, nurtured by your attention and emotions, grow into the experiences you encounter, the opportunities you attract, and the relationships you cultivate. Think of your mind as a garden. The thoughts you cultivate will determine the flowers that bloom. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, those are the weeds that will choke your potential. But if you choose to sow seeds of joy, abundance, and possibility, your life will blossom with beauty and fulfillment. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally in this creative process. It's like a vast reservoir of untapped potential, constantly working behind the scenes to bring your thoughts and feelings into form. It doesn't judge or discriminate. It simply responds to the dominant vibrations you emit. By becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings, you gain the power to consciously shape your reality. When you choose to focus on the positive, to cultivate gratitude and appreciation, you send a clear signal to your subconscious mind. You tell it, "This is what I want to experience more of." And as you continue to feed your mind with these positive vibrations, your subconscious mind gets to work, orchestrating events and circumstances that align with your desires. You begin to notice synchronicities. Opportunities seem to fall into your lap, and the world around you starts to mirror the beauty you hold within. But it's not just about positive thinking. Your feelings play an equally important role in the manifestation process. Your emotions are like fuel for your thoughts, amplifying their power and accelerating their manifestation. When you feel the joy of having your desire already fulfilled, you create a magnetic field that attracts those experiences into your life. You become a beacon of positivity, drawing in the people, resources, and opportunities that will help you bring your dreams to fruition. This doesn't mean you have to pretend to be happy all the time or deny your negative emotions. It simply means acknowledging those feelings, processing them, and then choosing to shift your focus back to the positive. By cultivating a positive mental and emotional state, you become a co-creator with the universe. You harness the power of your thoughts and feelings to shape your reality, to manifest your dreams, and to live a life that is truly extraordinary. Let's take a deeper look into the fabric of reality, and you'll discover a powerful principle known as the law of assumption. This law reveals a profound truth. We don't simply manifest what we wish for, but what we truly believe to be true. The law of assumption challenges the conventional notion that our conscious desires are the sole drivers of our reality. It reveals that our subconscious beliefs, often hidden beneath the surface, hold immense power in shaping our experiences. Think of it like this. Your conscious mind is like the captain of a ship, steering towards a desired destination. But beneath the surface, your subconscious mind acts as the powerful engine, propelling you forward. If the engine is fueled by limiting beliefs and doubts, your journey will be slow and fraught with obstacles. But if it's powered by unwavering faith and the conviction that your desires are already yours, you'll effortlessly glide towards your goals. The law of assumption invites you to examine your underlying beliefs about yourself and the world. What stories do you tell yourself about your worthiness, your capabilities, and your potential? These stories, whether empowering or limiting, shape your reality in profound ways. If you believe that you are destined for greatness, that abundance flows freely to you, and that you are worthy of love and happiness, your experiences will reflect those beliefs. But if you harbor doubts about your abilities, fear scarcity, or feel undeserving of your desires, those beliefs will manifest as roadblocks and challenges. The key to unlocking the law of assumption lies in aligning your conscious desires with your subconscious beliefs. This requires a deep look into your inner world, a willingness to confront your limiting beliefs, and a commitment to reprogram your mind with empowering truths. Now that you understand the profound impact of your thoughts and beliefs, let's explore another key tool in your manifestation arsenal: the power of your imagination. Within the vast landscape of your mind lies a canvas of infinite possibilities, waiting for you to paint your dreams into reality. Your imagination is not just a playground for childhood fantasies. It's a potent force that can shape your life in extraordinary ways. When you close your eyes and allow your mind to wander, you tap into a realm where anything is possible. In this space, you become the architect of your own destiny, crafting a vision of the life you desire with the vibrant colors of your thoughts. The more vivid and detailed your mental images, the more powerfully they will impact your subconscious mind. Picture yourself living your dream life with absolute clarity. See yourself experiencing the emotions, sensations, and surroundings that come with having your desires fulfilled. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you stroll along the beach of your dream vacation home. Taste the flavors of your favorite meal as you celebrate a major accomplishment. Hear the laughter of loved ones as you create cherished memories together. As you immerse yourself in these sensory-rich visualizations, your emotions become amplified. You feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your dreams were already your reality. And it's this emotional intensity that fuels the manifestation process, sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. Your visualizations act as a blueprint for your subconscious mind, guiding it towards the creation of your desired reality. The more often you revisit these mental images, the more deeply they are imprinted in your subconscious, and the stronger their pull becomes. While your thoughts and imagination are vital, it's your feelings that truly ignite the manifestation process. Your emotions are not mere byproducts of your experiences. They are the very energy that fuels your desires into reality. When you feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement of having your desire right now, you align yourself with the frequency of your dreams. This means shifting your focus from wanting to having. Instead of longing for something in the future, embody the feeling of already possessing it. Feel the satisfaction, the peace, and the fulfillment that comes with having your desire manifest in your life. This isn't about denying or suppressing your current emotions. It's about acknowledging them, processing them, and then consciously choosing to shift your focus to the feelings that align with your desired reality. When you accept the feeling of having, you send a powerful message to the universe. You radiate a vibration of abundance and gratitude, attracting experiences that match that energy. You become a magnet for the very things you desire, drawing them effortlessly into your life. But here's where many stumble on their manifestation journey: attachment. Clinging to specific outcomes or timelines can create resistance and block the natural flow of manifestation. When you become overly fixated on how and when your desires will manifest, you create a sense of lack and desperation, which repels the very things you seek. Detachment, on the other hand, allows you to surrender to the wisdom of the universe. It's about trusting that the universe has your back, that it knows what's best for you, and that it will deliver your desires in the most perfect way and timing. Think of it like planting a seed. You carefully nurture it, water it, and give it sunlight. But you don't dig it up every day to check on its progress. You trust that nature will take its course, and in due time, the seed will sprout and blossom into a beautiful flower. Similarly, when you detach from outcomes, you allow the universe to work its magic. You release the need to control every detail, trusting that your desires will unfold in a way that exceeds your wildest expectations. Love what you're seeing? Feel free to hit the subscribe button. It's free and ensures you won't miss out on future videos. Now that you've learned to harness the power of your thoughts, feelings, and imagination, let's explore another crucial aspect of manifestation: the art of detachment. It's a common misconception that manifestation requires constant striving and grasping. In truth, it's the opposite. When you cling tightly to specific outcomes or timelines, you create resistance. It's like trying to force a flower to bloom before it's ready. You stifle its natural growth and hinder its full potential. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means surrendering to the wisdom of the universe, trusting that your desires are already on their way to you. It's about releasing the need to control every detail and allowing the manifestation process to unfold with ease and grace. Think of it like sending a letter in the mail. You write your message, address the envelope, and drop it in the mailbox. You don't obsessively track its every move or worry about whether it will reach its destination. You simply trust that the postal service will do its job. Similarly, when you detach from outcomes, you allow the universe to deliver your desires in the most perfect way and timing. You release the burden of worry and doubt, and you open yourself to receive the blessings that await you. And as you step into this state of detachment, you'll find yourself naturally drawn to a powerful practice: gratitude. Gratitude is not just a polite gesture. It's a potent force that aligns you with the frequency of abundance. When you express gratitude for your desires as if they are already fulfilled, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. You send a powerful message to the universe that you are ready to receive all the blessings it has in store for you. Gratitude opens your heart and mind to the endless possibilities that surround you. It allows you to see the good in every situation, to appreciate the small joys, and to cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Now that you've gained a deeper understanding of the fundamental principles, let's explore some common roadblocks that can hinder your manifestation journey. By recognizing these pitfalls and learning how to navigate them, you'll clear the path for your desires to effortlessly flow into your reality. One of the most prevalent obstacles is doubt. When you question your worthiness or the possibility of your dreams, you create a vibration of lack that repels the very things you seek. It's like trying to drive a car with one foot on the gas and the other on the brake. You'll only get so far. To overcome doubt, practice cultivating unwavering faith in yourself and the universe. Remind yourself of your past successes and the limitless potential that resides within you. Impatience is another common stumbling block. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It requires trust, patience, and allowing the universe to work its magic. When you become fixated on timelines and instant results, you create resistance and hinder the natural flow. Instead, focus on enjoying the journey, trusting that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. Lack of clarity can also sabotage your manifestation efforts. When you're unsure of what you truly want or your vision is blurry, the universe struggles to deliver. Take the time to get crystal clear about your desires. Write them down, create vision boards, and immerse yourself in the feelings of already having them. To enhance your manifestation practice, consider incorporating these simple yet powerful techniques. Scripting. Write a detailed description of your desired reality as if it's already happening. Describe the sights, sounds, smells, and emotions you'll experience when your dreams come true. This helps solidify your vision and strengthens your belief in its manifestation. Affirmations. Create positive statements that affirm your worthiness and ability to manifest your desires. Repeat these affirmations regularly with conviction and feeling, to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Living in the end. Act as if your desires are already fulfilled. Celebrate your successes, express gratitude for the abundance in your life, and carry yourself with the confidence and joy of someone who has already achieved their dreams. This sends a powerful message to the universe that you're ready to receive. As you step onto this path of conscious creation, recall that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring with you, orchestrating events and circumstances to bring your desires to fruition. Trust in the process, have faith in your own power, and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold. The life you've always dreamed of is within reach. It's time to unlock your full potential and create a reality that reflects the beauty and abundance you hold within. If this message resonated with you, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Your encouragement means the world to us.